What's up? Today's sign of the day is different ways to say I love you in American Sign Language. Okay, so welcome back. My sign name. Okay, ready? I love you, just like casual. This is like a casual friendship. Love. This is I really love you. Then I love you forever is your pointer finger like moving in a circle. And then I love you. And then you kiss your hand. Mwah. I love you. So there's many different ways to actually say I love you in American Sign Language. It just depends if you're saying it to like casually to a friend, to your family, to a person in a relationship with, or just like kind of whatever.